they started not working like they used to work. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, thank God. My limbs and stuff work, but, whew. Cause this little kickstand that I got going on with my leg right now, my arm. See that's how delusional I am. I ain't know my arm from my leg. Fix it, Jesus.
Trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving before anything emotional too soon. You got my.
All right, Queens and Kings. So here is an overview of the living room. That is a blanket that I just recently put in the trash bag that I need to actually take to my dad because I have a duvet to put over it. But this is how the living room looking. I pretty much catch all here, and you all see my catch all over there. I just got a lot going on. It did stuff piled up here, but I'm just gonna do a quick tighten up because it is 5:45. I don't want to be doing this all night. I have things that I need to do besides babe coming over. So yeah, I'm trying to clean up too at the same time. But yeah, so let's get into this video, okay? All right, Queens and Kings, as we get into the video here, you all see that I'm starting off with doing some laundry. This ain't nothing but some, pillowcases, sheets, and stuff like this, spreads type thing that I was just too lazy, also / busy to actually get it done when I actually finish washing them. But questions I have for you all. I'm trying to figure some things out what's going on with my channel, honestly, but I can only figure that out from you all input or whatever the case may be. So I noticed that my views are dropping, or I get the views. I'm gonna say that my views are dropping, my revenue is dropping, or I will get views and my revenue is dropping. Like, can you Queens and Kings help me out with that? I know some of you all are not YouTubers, but some of you all are, and I'm just trying to figure some things out because it's like the more I push content out, the less certain things happen. And it's starting to bother me because I'm like, it discouraged me as to the point that I don't want to upload, or it's like, what's the point of uploading if, you're putting your hard work into your videos and you don't get the views or you don't get the revenue behind it. So is there something that you all want to see on my channel more, or what? Because I know my channel is a lifestyle channel, but mostly consumed around home decor, which is pretty much of me cooking, cleaning, decorating, all those things there, all of that stuff there, but mostly around home decor. So that's basically why you guys getting me cleaning my house for spring, or changing my house around, or me purchasing things for my home, or me revamping the room. So which I want to get to a point also that in my life where I don't have to constantly change around my home, or I'm still working on revamping my home, but being the person that I am, I think I'd never be done decorating my house or whatever the case may be. But I do want to get at a still fast, I guess, situation or whatever. But I just had that question for you all, because I'm just trying to figure some things out with my channel, because honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty much bothering me a lot to the point that I just want to just stop for a while. And I don't want to stop because YouTube is my passion. Like, I love doing YouTube. I love creating. But somewhere in between, I'm missing something, or I'm dropping the ball somewhere that I'm not getting it. I'm not reaching out to my supporters, which are you all. So can you guys give me a little feedback of what it is that you think it may be, or what it could be, or something that I could change up, or what? Because I try to give you guys everything, the goods, the bad, most of you all say the reels and things like that. I just try to give you guys insight of my life. Don't hold back too much, just enough, but not too much from you all. You get what I'm saying? So, but yeah, y'all just help me out in the comment section if you don't mind. Thank you in advance. Oh, Lord. Ooh, why did I get down here, Jesus? Oh, fix it, Father. Oh, my legs hurt so bad. Oh, Jesus Christ. Lord have mercy. I was still probably about 12 or something. Baby, not 22, but 12. Oh, Lord. Girl. Now I'm starting to see what the people be talking about. They started not working like they used to work. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, thank God. My limbs and stuff work, but, oh, cause this little kickstand that I got going on with my leg right now, my arm. See, that's how delusional I am. I ain't know my arm from my leg. Fix it, Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, we can't be down here long. Let's go ahead and put this stuff back up here. Let's go. Oh, oh. Let's go and put it back up here. Oh, no. We're gonna swap sides this time. Whew. Oh my God. Ooh, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? I don't even know. My lower back even hurt down here. Oh, I can't be down here long. I can't even clean properly because it hurts. Oh, I need to stretch. Lord, I'm so out of shape. Oh my God. All right, Mama, you gotta sit right there. Put you over here. Switch sides, but baby, I'm breathing so hard, I gotta get up. Oh, oh, woo-hoo! Judge your mama. Don't judge me. Girl, get somebody else to do it. Baby, what was I thinking? Oh, Val. I don't know what to say. Y'all, my lower back even hurt from that. Oh, that made no sense. That don't make no sense. I don't even think I'm in the clip, Jesus. That's just how bad it hurt. Oh, fix it, Lord. Fix it, Lord. Oh, I guarantee that I won't get down on my knees on this side. I don't care what you say. Okay, this don't go up here. This go way on the other side, John. Give me this. Let me pull her. Oh, that got my back hurt. Lord, I need to work out. Oh my God, it's still aching. Oh, oh Jesus. I'm scared to bend over. Lord, everything hurt. Oh, man, I never felt like that before, man. You gotta do something about this, baby. Oh, baby, we're gonna be some trouble. Ooh, woo. Listen, queens and kings. Seriously, I thought it was a little myth that people were saying as you get older, you just wait and see, this don't operate the same, or things go to hurting in places and all that. I just knew that was a lie. You know how people would just make up something to keep it going for generation. But baby, it's not. But I ain't nothing but 42 years. Oh, honey, I still don't feel like I should be feeling like this. Listen, as me doing this voiceover, this is the day after. Baby, I am still hurt. I'm in so much pain at work. I can't sit down too long, can't stand up too long. Like, it really hurts. It really aches. Somebody help me out. I need some Bengay or something. Girl, let me see, can I drop down and get my eagle on? Ooh, sweet Jesus. Fix it, Lord. Fix it. Oh, my God. This is ridiculous. How did that come on? That bootleg there. No, it don't even go like that. It go like this. Everything don't work. Put them shades right there. Whew. But I mean it, y'all. Listen, icy hot something. I'm gonna have to soak my body or something, but I really need to stretch more or something, because honey, this really was hurting me, like hurt. Even just sweeping the floor, y'all gonna see in a minute though, but it was hurt though, it really was. But back to what I was stating though, as in saying, when it come down to me creating and putting out videos for you all, honestly, what I'm seeing with my channel, seeing how my channels look like it's starting to deteriorate, it makes me think about quitting YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, because it's like nobody want to put in that hard work for nothing. Lord, oh Jesus, I'm tired. Oh Lord, I gotta find that charger for this vacuum cleaner. Cause who's gonna be sweeping this rug? Oh my God. Oh. Oh Jesus. I can't no more.
Find me one day. Oh,
Whew. I'm breathing all hard and stuff. Lord, get somebody else to do it, Jesus. This cannot be life right now.
you caught me off guard and you took me back. Took me by surprise.
This got my back hurt. Oh, oh right there. Oh, right there.
Can you visualize? It's hard to say.
But before I go that far with it, I'd rather get you all input on certain things, just to hear back from you all. Because something I am actually missing, and I don't know what it is. I really don't. But I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video with me of doing this little tighten up, this cleaning up and everything. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share the video with family, friends, and loved ones. Tell them about it, so therefore we can help this channel here, well, revive this channel, because maybe something's going wrong. Gonna get right now. I just have a whole lot going on over here. I really do have a whole lot going on. But let me explain some stuff. Pretty much, this is a DIY coming up. This here, I need a what I have planned on here is put a mirror here. That's the reason why I have that sitting over there, because I fixed my candelabra, unless I'm gonna put it on the dining room table. Don't know yet. Once I get a TV stand, the books and stuff gonna go in it. This here goes to Willie. That stuff goes to Willie. And my bag just actually just sitting there because it's just a catch-all right now. But this is pretty much how the house is looking. This area here, this is how this is gonna stay. This is pretty much how the dining room, not the dining room, the coffee table look. Say hello to mommy. So she's here. Anytime you see that lit. But yeah, so this is pretty much how the house looking, and it's all clean all up. So now I'm about to go ahead and take me a bath. Get ready for another day coming. All right, queens and kings. So I forgot to do an ending to this video, and if I don't do this ending, I know someone gonna come in the comments and tell me about myself. So with that being said, queens and kings, you guys continue to be royal, and remember, your crown may tilt, but it damn sure won't fall. Bye bye, queens and kings. Love you all. Now don't forget to tell me something, because I gotta go back to the drawing board.